All right, welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 15, conditionals. So at the very top, it says this level follows a video that you may have watched with your class. If you missed the video, you can watch it in the helps and tips tab of this level. So that is right here, and I definitely recommend watching it before moving on. So you can pause me, go watch it, and then come back, and then we'll keep going. All right, so booleans. The program draws a race car and a finish line. We're going to figure out when the race car crosses the finish line. The sprites have all been set up for you. Well, that's handy. So let's see what happens. Run. Okay. So the race car has crossed the finish line. Text. Okay. So we need to find out if the race car has crossed the finish line. Add blocks to the text command to print the Boolean to the screen. Add a blank is less than blank block to the text parameter of the text block. Let's find that. All right, text. Gotta figure out which text box. Add a sprite block to both sides of the less than sign. Make sure to update the sprite.x blocks with the names of the two sprites so that the Boolean is asking, is the x of the race car less than the x of the finish line? The text blocks should now look like this. So text racecar.x is less than finishline.x, 100, 100. All right, so looks like, yep, it looks like we're dealing with line 21. All right, so line 21, we're going to replace this with this. All right, and so we're going to go here and race car. So race car, and we're going to put another one over here for finish line. All right, and then let's see, run. So let's see what happens. So it says false, true. All right, so do you see up here, it changed from false to true as soon as it crossed the finish line? Excellent. So let's watch that again just to see. So false up here, the car is going, gone. And as soon as it crosses the finish line, it changes to true. Beautiful. All right, so we've done what we needed to do. And I'll see you on level 4. Here we go.